welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. The Daily Rant today goes at HP. Yes, Hewlett-Packard. They have decided that they want to try to force you into their online self-help support pages. And how did he do that? Well, apparently, the support calls that they get, everybody has to wait at least 15 minutes. Even if there's someone available, you will still be waiting 15 minutes before you will actually get somebody to help you out over the phone. And this is the dumbest thing that I've ever seen. It's crazy, stupid. HP, why are you doing this? Of course, you're doing this because you want to try to have less people call support, which means less employees on the phone, which means just, find whatever you want to find on the website. So this, of course, was apparently found out at some point and leaked. And this could backfire. I mean, having you wait 15 minutes for a call intentionally, or even if there's somebody available to answer, I think this is going to backfire at HP. What a stupid thing to do. I mean, you've got the people there. If you've got somebody available for taking a call, just take it. Don't have people wait 15 minutes in the hope that they'll just disappear and maybe go online and try to find stuff in their own way. It's so stupid that it's, incredible. Already, we ranted about the fact that HP's subscription service for printers for the ink is not very far from a scam. Well, now this is really, really adding to a really bad behavior, honestly. So I'm pretty sure that this is, now that it's out, will probably backfire on HP. Come on, HP, answer the calls. Stop annoying everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.